Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 7, leçon J. So in the previous lesson we saw the conditionnel passé form of être, to be, and in this lesson we'll focus on the conditionnel présent form of avoir, to have, okay? So let's see now how it goes. J'aurais, tu aurais, il aurait, elle aurait, nous aurions, vous auriez, ils auraient, elles auraient. Alright, so if you remember carefully, this conditional present form, so it was introduced in this unit, so check the unit 7 and then put conditional present, you will find the whole description and the whole lesson of conditional present, but still, here, you can see that j'aurais, well, if you want to translate it directly, it would be I would have, okay? But then in French, we've got only one form here. And then take a good look at the endings. AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, IENT, okay? The endings for the conditionnel present form. Okay, so let's see how you pronounce them now. J'aurais, so final S, not pronounced. J'aurais. Then same thing here, tu aurais, you don't pronounce the final S. Il aurait, same thing here, final T is not pronounced, elle aurait, okay? So you've got the same pronunciation here for the three first forms. J'aurais, tu aurais, il aurait, elle aurait, okay? Then, nous aurions, so this little link between the two, this liaison, nous aurions, final S not pronounced. Vous auriez, little link between the two, vous auriez, and then ils auraient, little link, but then look, A-I-E-N-T like that, and you only pronounce E, like we had here. It will be exactly the same pronunciation here. Ils auraient, elles auraient. Okay, so let's see that one more time. J'aurais, tu aurais, il aurait, elle aurait, nous aurions, vous auriez, ils auraient, elles auraient. Alright, so it was a short lesson, I know, but it's really, really important to know at least être and avoir by heart at the conditionnel présent form. Okay, if you're not sure, if you've got a doubt, then watch the video again and try to remember them by heart. Okay, the website or the channel is here, youtube.com/imagier, and then the website is here, imagier.net, as we would say in French. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.